All right, what's going on? Coming at you from the messy garage. So, we're going to do a little prop repair from our mischievous trip this morning. And it's pretty busted up. Let me check this out. Check this out. It's got a good size hole here. But I think we can fix it. Whoa! But trying to show you guys and hold my stupid phone at the same time is going to be tough to do. So we're going to have to, you don't get to see this side of it. So we're going to pop it right here. And we're just going to use our vise. I got a little towel in here to keep it from getting, damaged further. We'll go ahead and clamp this in. All right. Making sure. Carefully clamp it. Don't want the prop to move. All right. All right. And then what we're going to do here, I already got it all cleaned up and everything really well. Warm it up a little bit. Things start contracting a little bit. Get it nice and hot. All right. I warmed this up a little bit before I got started here too, so that it would be ready to go and you wouldn't have to sit here and wait for it to get warm. All right. Got my special glue here. Basically like industrial strength super glue. So it is industrial strength super glue. That's funny, isn't it? So we're gonna do this. I'll include what it is in the link at the end here. So I'm gonna cover it up here. You know what? I don't need this to be so long. Let's cut this in half. All right, we're just gonna fill it. We're just gonna fill it up. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. No need to be bashful here. You get it all over there. Get it good. You want it all over it. And what we're gonna do here is we're gonna clamp it down. Cardboard sticks to it a little bit, but you gotta sand it anyway when you're done. So we're gonna squeeze it. Cardboard. And then we're gonna just use some wood clamps. Nothing special. Okay, stop moving. Okay, now we clamp it up. Keep it tight. Nice and tight. Okay, that's it. Oh shit, I forgot a step. And the glue dries clear, so you don't need to don't need to, there's like hardly anything. There's hardly any sanding, anything. I mean, you got to sand it flat, but it smooths out. The stuff is amazing. All right, put that back on there. That's it. See how that goes later.